This here at Calderwood 11 Crossings. The main line between Skipton and Leeds and Bradford Foster Square, and also this line runs up to Carlisle. There's flying dust above there, you can't really see it, can you? See ya. Oh boys, where's the look now? I don't know what. There's a train coming in the opposite direction. On here, I don't really know what's feeling on here, but this is a very good main line. There is steam rail cars coming through on a Tuesday and a Thursday. Apart from that, this is basically it for the rest of the time. Now, obviously these are the barriers. There used to be wooden barriers, but obviously after a wagon ran into the old ones, it changed them into fiberglass ones. As you can see over there, it's called Kilbrick Junction. Just leave it there whilst the train comes.